Hello friend, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you 6 best earning apps to make money online this 2024. All these websites accept Nigerians to sign up on them. But before I continue, if you are new to this channel, my name is Ali Lokman Omotayo. On this channel, I create videos on how to make money online with your smartphone. If that's what you want, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop new videos. I'm not the type that talk too much, so I won't be wasting your time here. So let's continue. The first app or website is called Swagbug. As you can see, save money, make money. Swagbug will pay you for answer survey anywhere, anytime. Not only that, you get cashback for shopping online through them, and you can find coupons, promo code and many more to shop online on your favorite store. That's not all on Swagbug. You get paid also by playing games and also by watching videos on Swagate. Your reward can be converted to your preferred gift card and redeem it. You can download their app on either Play Store or Apple Store. So the second app is called Pope. This is a UGC app that is user generated content. You can make money on the app by using your photos or videos to create reviews or comments about a product from a company or brand, in which the company can use to promote their product when advertising. There are a lot of brands on this website to work with. So the third app is Sweatcoin. This app pays you to work. As you can see, it pays to work. You can convert your coins to spend on over 1,000 brand on the website or donate it for charity. The fourth app is user testing. As you can see, get paid to test. On this website, you are paid for testing app, website or product from different brands that need consumer opinions, and you get paid through paper. The fifth app is called Kimi. On this website also, you get paid for answering surveys, playing game, etc. And also you can withdraw your money immediately, no minimum withdrawal threshold. You can withdraw through paper or gift card. The sixth app is called Feature Point. This app pays you to answer surveys and also download app and try it for some time. You can also earn by inviting your friends to the app. You can withdraw your cash to either paper or gift card and also through cryptocurrency. That's all for this video. If you haven't subscribed, hit the button now and like this video.